thunder. Don't be scared. It's just the sound of the sea as the brave pirates sail their ship looking for treasure. We are brave pirates. And this is our pirate ship. We have lots of treasure to find. It's time to set sail. Quick, Sammy, there's a big wave coming.
Oh, something tells me we are going on an adventure. Ha-ha! A pirate adventure!
Well done, Sammy. You're very brave.
Ha-ha! Mya and Sammy Go are taking on stormy seas.
Let me see.
It's fun being a pirate.
Land ahoy!
Ha-ha! Mya Go has spotted something dead ahead.